What's up, everybody? Welcome to today's editorial. Hi. Welcome to What's up, everybody? Welcome to another tutorial series. Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to work with audio in your project. Now, audio, it's a critical component of every video production. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay guys, here we are in the theater. This timeline, where you do all the cutting and slicing of things, I like to look at it as a theater, like an abattoir or something like that. Just don't mind me. All right, let me play this clip. It's a clip of a guy filling himself, but it has no audio on it. To make it more, catchy and critical, I told you that audio is a critical component. So what you need to do is to drag your audio and drop it on the audio panel. Sweet, isn't it? Okay, so what you need to do is to pick your razor tool, you make a cut, you select, you highlight this other part, this unwanted part, you hit delete and it's gone. It doesn't end well. It doesn't just end well. Let me share with you the tricks I do. Okay, I open up this bar right here to have a clear view of my audio. Okay, and if you notice, the video is hitting red here. It means it's distorted. It's not supposed to hit this side, this red. If you're playing it, these waves, they're not supposed to touch the red side. It shows that the video is loud. Quick tips on how I correct that. You see this line right here, so I tend to click it and drag it down a little bit. Okay, then I hold my control key on my keyboard, then click and create a keyframe here. Then towards the end, you click and create another. Now you have two keyframes here. What you need to do now, the last keyframe, you drag it down to 0, and the first keyframe, you right click, ease in. Okay, so once you open up this audio file, there's a blue arrow here. You just click and drag it, to make the transition smoother, and it will fade out easily. Okay, so let's play this and see how it goes. Not bad. Okay, let me undo all that and show you another trick. Okay, end of your audio clip, once this red arrow appears, you right click and then you add default transition. Now let me play this. Not bad. Okay, you can drag and adjust your transition to wheresoever you want. You can even make it shorter. Another method. So you click these two arrows, you go to effect, then you click on audio effect. Okay, or you could just type right here, fade. You go down under the audio transitions. Okay, you see exponential fade. You drag it to the end of your clip. Now once you play this, not bad. If you learned anything new today, do well to just like this video, subscribe to my channel, and smash that bell icon so that when I post up my new video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.